Welcome, my dear all who are frontal brain warriors. I always say there are 4 C's to become a frontal lobe warrior, and the first C is confidence, second is courage, third is concentration, and fourth is convergent thinking. So, when you have all these things, you are the warrior in learning. But the first key is confidence. So, my dear friends, what are the things which makes our prefrontal cortex active that I am going to tell you? Meditation. Do meditation for 10 minutes and your prefrontal cortex become very active. Why? Because when you do meditation, your fear becomes less, your brain becomes calm, and calm brains means frontal lobe activated brain. Second thing, listen to instrumental music. When you listen to instrumental music, your right part of frontal lobe is very much interested in that rhythm, and your left part is very much interested in the beats. So when you listen to the instrumental music, your right and left part become balanced, and when they become balanced, you are becoming more and more confident. Third thing to become more confident is that you should be aware. You should be aware of yourself, of your surrounding. And for that awareness, for that vigilance, you must avoid the laziness, or you must avoid the overstimulation. As we say, everything too much is not good. In the same way, when we are using prefrontal cortex in too much way, it is not good. So you will say, in what way we are using it? When you watch mobile, when you watch internet, when you surf internet, when you play the games on video games on the mobile or laptop, when you are actually seeing YouTubes, all these things come under the damaging frontal cortex. Because when we watch television, when we watch mobile or YouTube, at that time our frontal brain actually thinks whatever information is coming, it is overloading your senses. So our prefrontal cortex shuts down, and actually there is a new wave in our brain, which is actually our brain is as if our frontal lobe is sleeping. That's why, have you seen whatever advertisements, whatever series are going on in Netflix or on TV or on YouTube's, they are all too much intense, emotional and violent. And why? Because they want to grab your attention. And when they grab your attention, they not only grab your attention, but they shut your frontal cortex. So my dear friends, if you really want to become confident, use less mobile, use less internet. I am not against it. I am not telling you to totally shut down it, but use it wisely. When you use it wisely, you use it for a less time, and you use it for a good purpose. So that actually makes our prefrontal cortex more and more strong, and we become more and more confident. Fourth thing is playing. Play a lot. When we do exercise, when we play a lot, then our brain becomes more and more active. The blood flow towards our frontal cortex becomes very high, and we become more confident. Then the fifth most important thing is nutrition. You will say, what is the correlation of the confidence and what we eat? Of course, there is a correlation. If you are eating nutritional things like omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D3, then all the minerals, then zinc, and then copper, and then magnesium, iron, and every detailed nutrients, then your brain becomes very happy. It gets all sort of a chemical neurotransmitter supply, and when there is ample supply of neurotransmitters, our frontal lobe is very active. It motivates itself and it takes its own care. But suppose if you are having a vitamin D3 deficiency, oh, you will become so deficient. Your frontal lobe will not be in a balance. The waves will not be synchronized, and you will have a less confidence. So 5 things which I told you, just follow that and be more and more confident. What is the best way to be confident in studies? We are going to learn in our next video. Stay tuned, sending you positive vibes.